Hello everyone, I'm here again. I'm going to show you how to knit using this and the thread and this again. Okay, now this video I want to show you how to cast on, okay? And how to hold your hook, okay? First, so you need to know how to cast on first, okay? So first you have to do this, guys, like that, to hold, and you put this inside, and then your finky, look, and then this one you have to do, and you have to put inside, just like you are making a diamond, small diamond. Okay guys, I'm here to do some demo about how to knit. Okay, we will try to make a hat, but now I need to teach you how to do a cast on. Okay, how to start. So first you need to measure 1 2 from your elbow, 3 4 5. Okay, let's see, and then you have like this already. To make a knot you have to do this, and then you have to pinch out like this, and you have to put inside here, and you make a knot, and then you have to put this on here, but not so tight, okay, because later, not so tight like that, okay. And now we will make a cast on. How to make, and then you have to do that, your pinky here hold in the other side, and this one here, and then you have to grab this, and then like that, and then you have to give up, okay, like that, like that. 2 3, this is a cast on, okay. 4, not so tight. 5, 5, wait, I will do that again. 5, we will make 44 of this to make a hat. 6, 7, 8, until 44, like that. So easy, guys. There's a cast on, okay. Cast on, this is just like the beginning of your knitting. So we will make a hat, but I need to show you how to make a cast on this one. Look, this is a cast on, right guys? Okay, I'll show you more how to do, but your finky, you have to do like that, guys, and it's up to you. And then you have to grab like that, like that, look how, and like that. Oh, spera, like that, like that. This is a cast on, okay.